Hello everyone. My name is Mahek Nandu and I have pursued my graduation from SVT College of Home Science Autonomous in Human Development, specialization in developmental counseling. So as today is World Entrepreneurship Day, I would like to share with you how I got into my small business. So basically I always used to make something out of paper, either it would be origami or any other stuff. So once when I was scrolling on YouTube, I got an idea why not to make handmade gifts out of paper, which will be beneficial for me and also for someone out there who wants to give something precious to their close ones. So that's how I got this idea to make handmade gifts, and this was back 4 years ago. So I started a page on Instagram, but I couldn't reach out many people initially, and that would sometimes make my model down. But when I joined this institution, it didn't help me just for my education, but also for my small business as well. So in this college, they have an EIP cell where they hold workshop sessions for the students who need help for their business. Not that much. They also give one-to-one attention and give them a proper mold and progress to their ideas. That's how this college has helped me to grow my business, and I'm really, really very grateful for this. Well, there's no business who don't face any challenges. So I too had some certain problems. One of them was like a couple of people who used to say, "Why are you charging so much for just a gift which is made of paper?" Well, it's just not a paper. It's all about the efforts, time, care, all the creativity which I am investing it into the gift that they want to give to their close ones to see that precious smile on their face. So basically, I used to say the same thing to them as well. So some of them used to understand and some of them do not. That's just a part of business. So we all have to deal with it. So, this was all about my journey of my small business. Also, I would like to tell you all, if you have any kind of idea, so try it out. Work out of your comfort zone. Because until and unless you don't try, you won't get to know what you are good at, what you enjoy doing. So, explore yourself. Thank you.